the most powerful way to script. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today. If you're new to this channel, my name's Candice and I welcome you with open arms to the powerful creator community. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my thoughts and ideas about scripting and some techniques that I have been using to script that have really worked for me tremendously. And you're gonna come across some things that you probably have been doing but didn't even realize this is a form of scripting. Scripting to me is like writing a movie and I am the main character and I am the actress of this film, and this film just happens to be my life. So that's what scripting is to me. Powerful creators, you know that actors memorize their scene and they look at a script. They memorize it, they get into character, they become the character before the lights, camera, action comes on, and they become that being. In the same way, we're gonna become what we desire to be, and we're gonna do it through scripting right now. Powerful creators, this is the moment when you need to get out a sheet of paper and pen. I want you to now write out what you would say to someone. If someone were to ask you to update them on your life, pretend you are living in your manifestation. Maybe that means you're a millionaire now. You are healthy, you are successful, you're with your specific person. Maybe you graduated college by now. Who are you in your mind in this moment if you are living in your manifestation? I want you to pretend as your friend or someone you know says, hey, how you been? Update me on your life. And you are going to update them on your life as if you were living in your manifestation. Don't worry about their responses to you. Just keep writing and updating that person. You're writing out a whole thing. You're just blabbing all the things that are happening in your life in this moment. Act as if, get into that moment, get into that feeling, write it all down. Maybe it's 2 sentences, maybe it's 3 pages. That's up to you. Write it all out. Who are you now? Where do you live? How much money do you have in your bank? Or do you have a savings account? How do you even feel in this moment? Do you feel amazing? Are you with your specific person? Are you healthy? Do you work out every day? Do you buy homes all the time? Do you go out to eat? Do you celebrate? Are you having a birthday come up? Write it all out. Be detailed, be specific. Have so many details in this script for yourself. Powerful creators, this is your movie. This is your film. So make it feel like you. Now, powerful creators, when you're done with this scripting, I want you to get in front of a mirror and I want you to read this script out loud. Now read it all out loud and talk to yourself, but pretend you are talking to a friend or someone you know or someone you haven't seen in years. Pretend you're updating them on your life. Maybe it's a teacher, maybe it's a family member, maybe it's a long lost friend from high school or from grade school. Whatever it is, you're updating this person on your amazing life. Get in front of that mirror and just start talking. I like to imagine that I'm talking to some other woman, and you don't necessarily have to know the person you're talking to. Let's be clear on that. And I'm just talking to someone who wants me to update them on my life. And so I like to say all the things like, yes, I just celebrated a 5-year anniversary with my husband. We just got back from Italy. We had a most romantic time. And we're about to buy our 2nd home. We have one in LA and we have one in New York. And I also just published my 1st book and they're asking me to publish a 2nd book. Yes, it was in the New York Times bestseller list. And I'm just enjoying my life. Life is so easy for me. I feel incredible. I have $1 million saved in my account. And life is just so amazing for me. And my family's doing well. My family's healthy. I actually just bought my parents a new home. And it's just so awesome. Life is so incredible. I'm so thankful and blessed. See, guys, powerful creators, I just did it for y'all. That's exactly what I do. I just go on and on and on. And I have this all written out. So if I ever forget a little line, I just go back to my script and like, oh, I forgot to say that I went to Hong Kong last week. Be specific, be dramatic with it, have fun with it. Do not limit yourself. Nobody's gonna judge you because you are making the script for yourself. Do not worry about anybody else. Don't even worry about the person you're telling this to because it doesn't matter. You're just speaking out loud. And you know who's listening to you? The universe. God is listening to you and is like, oh, she wants that? Oh, she has a 5-year anniversary with her specific person? Okay, I'll let that happen. Okay, that's happening for sure. Because like I said in my other videos, your word is your wand. What you speak becomes your manifestation. So read this script continuously. Read it all the time. Get excited when you're saying your script out loud. Smile to that person. Tell them how amazing your life is, because it truly is. Powerful creators, soon you will have this script memorized and you will be getting ready for the day and you'll just start saying your script. You'll be going to bed and being like, I just had the most romantic time with my specific person. You'll be reading a book and you'll remember your script, or you can add to your script. You'll be going on with your life and you're like, oh, let me add to my script. Make it fun, make it exciting. And now if you want to take your script to the next level, turn on a camera and video yourself reading that script. Because one day soon, you're gonna look back at that video and be like, oh my gosh, everything happened. Everything I put in my script happened. Because I was acting as if I was getting in the emotions, as if it was already in my life. I was assuming the feeling. I was doing the law of assumption, assuming that everything's working out for me because I'm living in that feeling right now as I read my script. So I want you to film yourself saying your script. Film yourself being the rich mom, the rich girl, the girl with her SP, the girl who has it all, the guy who has it all. I want you to film yourself if you want to take it to the next level so you have a document that you can go back to and be like, ah, look at me. That was only a year ago. And now look at my life. That's how fast it works. This is so powerful. This is why Hollywood is so big, you know, because they read these scripts and people become these people. That's why I've heard so many stories about actors and actresses who become the characters so much that they start living their life as that person. Because they're acting into that individual and it becomes so powerful for them and they start living in that thought and those beings. That could be good or bad, depending on the character they portray. So make your character good, make your character amazing, the person you desire to be. Make that life so incredible in your script so that you become who you truly desire to be. Thank you so much, powerful creators, for watching today's video. Make sure that you are writing every little detail in your script. Have fun with it, get excited about it, and comment below one little line that you want to put in your script. I want to hear. You don't have to give details and names and anything if you're not comfortable in the comments, but you will on your own paper, right? But comment below something you want to have in your script. I would love to hear and just help you with it. I'm really excited about you doing the scripting technique. And the powerful creator of this video is The Super Z. The Super Z, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly, truly appreciate your love and support. It really means a lot to me. If you like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment this secret word below. If you like this video, you'll like my next video on how to use the law of assumption. The feeling is the secret. It is so incredible. While you're writing your script, watch this video too. It's gonna really help you. Thank you again, powerful creators, for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day.